The DuroMax XP3100PWT Turbo Pressure Washer is engineered to blast away the nastiest buildup of dirt and grime, providing a deep clean when you need it. Delivering 3,100 PSI of cleaning power, this unit pumps water at 2.5 gallons per minute, more than enough to tackle any job you throw at it. Driveways, gutters, sidewalks, stucco, cars, and RVs. If it's dirty, this pressure washer can clean it. The power behind this unit comes from a 7-horsepower DuroMax engine that feeds into an axial cam pump to provide high pressure and consistent output. A built-in detergent reservoir makes the wash even more effective, delivering a steady flow of cleaning agents to the unit's output stream. The 25-foot rigid hose reduces hassle from tangling and kinking while maintaining reliable performance every time. Depending on what you need for the job, you've got 6 quick Connect nozzles to choose from: 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, soap applicator, and turbo nozzle. The spray gun is equipped with a safety switch that you can disengage when it's time to break out the spray wand. The easy pull trigger is padded with a cushion grip that reduces fatigue and improves comfort so that you can pressure wash for longer periods of time and get the job done faster. When you're finished, onboard storage lets you conveniently stow the spray gun, hose, and nozzles on the unit itself. Well built and carefully designed, the XP3100PT is rugged yet mobile and easy to move around. Oversized wheels are capable of rolling over most surfaces, while the durable welded frame protects the engine and pump. The DuroMax XP3100PWT pressure washer is the heavy-duty, high-pressure solution for any deep clean job. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.